Mastering Breathing for IELTS. Word Usage Guide. Breathing. It's something we do every moment of our lives, yet we rarely think about it. Today, we're going to explore this essential word and how you can use it effectively in your IELTS exam. Word type. Breathing is both a noun and an adjective. As a noun, it refers to the process of moving air into and out of the lungs. As an adjective, it describes something that is alive or related to the act of breathing. Meaning, at its core, breathing means taking air into the lungs and then expelling it. This process is vital for most living creatures, as it allows them to take in oxygen and release carbon dioxide. In a broader sense, breathing can also refer to taking a break or pause, especially in a stressful situation. Word history. The word breathing comes from the Old English word breath, which meant odor or smell. Over time, its meaning evolved to include the act of respiration. Antonyms. While there isn't a direct opposite to breathing, some related antonyms include suffocation, which means a lack of air, and breathlessness, which describes difficulty in breathing. Synonyms. Some synonyms for breathing include respiration, inhalation and exhalation, and ventilation. These words are often used in more formal or medical contexts. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at how we can use breathing in different sentences. First, as a noun, deep breathing can help reduce stress and anxiety. As an adjective, the doctor listened to the patient's breathing sounds with a stethoscope. In a more figurative sense, the old building was a breathing piece of history, full of life and stories. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing breath and breathing. Remember, breath is a noun meaning the air taken into or expelled from the lungs. Breathing is the action or process. For example, you would say, take a deep breath, not take a deep breathing. Another error is using breathe instead of breathing. Breathe is the verb form. For instance, it's important to breathe deeply is correct, but it's important to breathing deeply is not. To wrap up, understanding and using the word breathing correctly can help you express ideas about health, relaxation, and even figurative concepts in your IELTS exam. Remember its different forms and uses and practice incorporating it into your vocabulary. With some practice, you'll find yourself breathing easy when it comes to using this word in your English communication.